When I was a kid, I just wanted to make things for dirt bikes. So if people are having a bad day, they could take off on them, enjoy their ride better, get away from their problems, and come back and be happier, right? Just being out there and being free kind of fixed your issues. Sometimes I lose sight of that, and you get into little snippy things with other people. That's not going to happen anymore. It's just, I'm not going to go down that route. I'm not going to go out that way. Yeah, if something happened to me, I'm not going to have my last thought being, sure, I'm glad I made a stupid comment to somebody on social media or whatever, or even over the phone, belittling them for some reason because we don't agree. Then I would go out a big dick. And I don't want to do that. So it will not happen anymore. If you want to go down that route, do it on your own time. Even if you make a stupid comment on these things, it's not going to get replied to. Probably won't get replied to at all, honestly. So there you know, just out to help, just out to help. Now, because I do care whether you have a good day or not. Now, one big problem on these bikes has been, and it has been one of the holdups why I've taken some time off with it, it's these stupid batteries. Now these great batteries have finally come along and have really changed a lot of stuff, so you can really get back to work. I was turning them over, you know, checking the compression, checking so many stats and everything. Well, I blew the stock battery in about four or five cranks. The thing just lost all power. He'd charge it up, but it was never there. Stole the one out of the 500 one night because it's all I had to get back to work. I got about 8 cranks out of that thing, and it crapped out, and it never came back to life. So things have been tough, and it's been hard to find one that fits in the stock compartment. Finally, now this thing's come along, and I've been using it for a little bit. And they're so good that I just decided to start to sell them. There's not much money in them. They come over from France. They're only 110 bucks. Of course, it weighs a little bit more than stock, but it's probably got 3 times the power of stock, you know. And if you're worried about the extra little weight, I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about dying out there, sleeping in the elements because my bike won't start. I'm worried about it starting in the first place. I'm worried about getting home. I'm worried about the ghost problems this provides. Everything now is run on electricity. Your fuel pump needs the voltage, your ignition coil needs the voltage, spark plug needs the voltage, everything needs voltage. If you're having a problem with your battery and the cell's going around in and out and the amperage and the voltage is fluctuating, of course it's going to shut systems off, right? Maybe even intermittently, ghost problems that you never even knew existed and you're so frustrated with it. So let's cover our ass and get something good. Don't worry about it and get to riding and have fun. So this battery is super gnarly, 180 cranking amps, gnarly. 36 watts of power, 3 amp hours, and it fits in this thing, and it's only 110 bucks. If you find something gnarlier than that, if it's in here, hey man, let everybody know in the comments. Maybe there's something I missed. But this has really worked well. So I have it for sale. If not, you can find them anywhere, but you want the max. That's the one you want. BS battery, lithium max, not the non-max.